Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill and welcome to the 9th class of Microsoft Word for Beginners. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about insert caption that is present in References tab. So let's try to understand about insert caption that is present in Captions group, which is one of the part of References tab. This is something which is related to something that if you want to make table of contents of pictures, you can go for this option. If you remember, I have taught you table of contents in the previous tutorials that if you want to give numbering to your data or your lessons or chapters, you can go for table of contents. So this is as same as table of content is, but there is a slight difference to these two. This is something that is related to table of contents that is used for pictures, and that is something that is related to lessons or chapters or related to text. So let me try to use that. It is important to have some sort of pictures in order to be putting over there. Let's try to go and take some pictures. Go for insert and go for online pictures because I do not have any sort of picture on my PC. So let's try to search that. Let's suppose I want to go for cat. I want to bring this picture. Try to insert that and download that. Let it be downloaded. So I have inserted one picture. So what I have to do is to go at the bottom and try to bring another picture. Try to go for insert, online pictures, and try to search something like dog. I may be bringing animals picture. Let me try this one. Insert that, and let's try to go for the third one. We have to be downloading or putting some sort of pictures in order to be making table of contents of the same pictures. Try to go for online pictures. Let's try to add another thing like watch. Hit enter and try to download this picture. Insert that, and let's try to also download the fourth one. Try to repeat the same process. Go for online pictures and try to download mouse, maybe mouse. I want to go for this mouse rather than this and download that. I have almost downloaded 4 of the pictures, which one of them is related to cat, dog, watch, and mouse. So what I have to do is to click at the first picture and try to go for references, insert caption. You can also name that by typing Kate and hit OK. So you can also see that figure 1 cat. Let's try to go for the second one. You can also repeat the same process. Try to type whatever the picture is related to. Try to go for the third one, watch, and the fourth one, mouse, Amazon Basics. Hit OK. So what I need to do is either I have to be making table of contents at the bottom or at the top. So I may be choosing the top one. Let me put it at the bottom a little bit. What I have to do is to go for position, format, position, and put it there somewhere like that. And now let's try to go for references. Insert caption must be having insert table of figures option at the top. So you have to be clicking on that and hit OK. Now table of contents of the same pictures is made, which one of them is related to cat 1, or you can say figure 1 cat, that is present on the first page. This is as same as the table of content was. There is a slight difference between these two options. This is related to table of contents that represent text, or this is something that represents pictures. So if you want to reach yourself, you can also hold the control or the command button on your keyboard. Anyone you like, you can go for that and click that. See, I have reached there. So this is as simple as it was. What I have to do, I have to be going at the bottom, take another picture by going to insert on line picture. So let me take this glass. This is looking so much beautiful and amazing. It says we cannot download, so let's try to go for another one, and let's try this one. See, it is downloaded. Let's try to repeat the same process which I have done with the 4 pictures. Let's try to go for references and go for insert caption and try there, or type there, glass. You can say glass, hit OK. Now I have done. What I have to do is to go at the top and try to click on table of contents that I have made, and the moment I click there, update table option starts working. So if I click there, it's not working now. The moment I click at the table of contents, it starts working. So what does it mean? Like if I click there, it's not working, and if I click there, it's working. It means that I have edited something that I have to be updating that. So try to click on table of contents and try to go for update table, update entire table, hit OK. See, figure 5 glass, it is present at number 6 page. So if I want to reach myself, I have to be holding the control or the command button, and I have to be clicking on that. This is something that if you are having more of the pictures, maybe 200, 100, so you can also repeat the same process and name that. And if you want to reach yourself, you can also easily reach yourself to table of contents. So that's all for today's tutorial. I have made this small tutorial in order to make you understand about insert caption. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.